Hello, my beautiful friends. I am reporting to you once again from beautiful Bulgaria. Let me do a little panoramic shot here. I found like a farm road. Jeez, I'm like 5 minutes from home. I cannot believe this. I live here. It's completely insane. Okay, so these are the Bulgarian Fields of Joy. And just look at all the flowers here. And I found some kind of station thing here. It just seems like it's abandoned. There are little lizards, and I saw a big snake. And just look how pretty it is. I'm assuming that's Kosharica there in the distance. And of course, that sunny beach right behind me. So as you can see, I'm literally just a few moments away. I'm just absolutely speechless how incredibly pretty it is here. It just looks like these are just like wild flowers, and it just looks like somebody planted this garden. And over there too, just like you're cruising by on this road, it looks like somebody planted these like wildflower gardens. It's just fucking mind-blowing. It's absolutely amazing. But today we're going to talk about something else. And since most of you, many of you, all of you, so soft, will be arriving here soon, as you should be, of course, because this is the greatest place in the world. Let's talk about packing. Okay, so here you are hanging out in Leeds or Manchester, whatever you are in the world, and you're getting your stuff ready, you're excited, of course you are, as you should be. And you're packing your backpacks, your suitcases, your wheelie bags, and all this kind of stuff. Putting all the stuff inside. John, you have to sit on this valise because I can't close the zippers. Of course, you're going through all this rigmarole. Wait 5 minutes after you get all that done and you're packed, and take all that shit apart. Just take it all out and remove 2/3 of it or more. Let me tell you why. First and foremost, you're not coming to some crazy remote place where if you forgot your toothbrush, we're flying back, we don't have our toothbrushes. No, you're at your hotel. The lady downstairs or the man downstairs at your hotel at the front desk will have a toothbrush for you, okay? Or you'll take the elevator down, you'll walk 1, 2, 3, 4, and there'll be 10 shops that'll have toothbrush for you, toothpaste for you, hair products, whatever the hell you're into. There's no need to bring any of this stuff. Travel light, save yourself some money and anguish. Bring a backpack. All you need, backpack, okay? All you need to do is bring yourself a few really cool, colorful t-shirts. Yeah, I'm wearing my freaking Vancouver hipster coffee shop plaid shirt today. Sorry about that. Some colorful shirts, something cool, some swim trunks, and of course, ladies, bring your whatever, however that works, a swimming suit, yes. And really, that's all you need, And of course, you want to enjoy 1 or 2 evenings out at a nice restaurant. If you're gonna go to Flora or somewhere else. Don't wear your fucking Manchester United fucking t-shirt. Dress up nice. Of course, bring a nice t-shirt, maybe a pair of pants. But even, sure, bring a pair of pants, but that's not even necessary. If it wasn't for my motorbike, most of the time, it's probably 6 months out of the year here, I'm really lucky to be here. And I just wear flip-flops the whole time. Even when it gets a little bit cooler in the evenings, you just wear flip-flops after rain. Well, you don't need to bring shoes or boots or whatever. It's just really, really, really not necessary. Bring your phone, bring your device. You don't need to bring your laptop, TVs. In your hotel if you need to catch up on some shit. Everything is here. They have IPTV and stuff, so you can watch channels from all over the world. If you're coming from Russia, if you're coming from anywhere, really, English channels. So, if you're into, watching Netflix and stuff like that, I think they have smart TVs now, so you just log in and all that stuff is ready for you. Bring, bring your lightning cable, or if you have, the Type C or whatever charging cable that you need. But, even then, I'm thinking about bringing power banks and all that kind of crap. if your stupid phone or your iPad or whatever runs out of juice, take it back to hotel, plug it in, and just leave it there. Leave your phone there. Leave it in the hotel. It's okay. It's okay. You don't need to respond to your emails or to your tweeters or whatever the fuck you do. Go to the beach. Go converse. Go flirt with the pretty ladies or the pretty boys. And converse with your friends. Make Bulgarian friends. Make friends from all over the world. Leave your phone at home. Yes, go out, take pictures and selfies and brag to your friends, as you should, because this is the greatest place in the world. But again, just pack minimally, and I'm just thinking, if you get a little bit, overzealous the night before and spill some Perinsko all over your t-shirt, take your t-shirt, go back to your hotel, pour a tiny bit of shampoo or soap, and if you have, mini trousers, put all that stuff into the sink a few times, a little bit of hot water, a little bit of cold water, and then hang it out to dry. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes, it'll be done, and it will smell like the hotel shampoo. It's amazing. It's hot here, so all that stuff will you just leave it on the balcony to dry. It's really straightforward. And you know what? Does anybody give a shit if you're going to be wearing the same t-shirt or same pair of shorts 2-3 days in a row? Nobody cares. So, my tip of the day for you: bring a backpack, bring your necessities. Maybe bring your Kindle if you like to read. I mean, there's no greater pleasure than sitting here on the beach or in the beautiful fields, with a good book. You can't beat that. So, travel light, make your life so much easier. But also, don't forget to leave a little bit of space in your pack for some souvenirs. I always tell people, bring back something. Definitely, help the Bulgarian people here who are working really hard to do all this shit for you. Buy something, a little souvenir. You don't need to spend a lot of money to bring back home. And just when you get back home, of course you're going to be very sad. And winter time, whenever you're going to have a little magnet on your fridge or a little mug in your hand, remind you of visiting this incredible freaking place. So yeah, just buy something from the local shop. So make sure you have a little bit of space on the way back when you head back home to bring a few little bits and pieces for yourself. And don't be greedy. Bring a couple of little things for your rest of your family, your friends, just something small, because they'll absolutely love it. Just absolutely love it. So that's it. Again, you are not coming to some deserted freaking place. Everything is here. It's no different than when you're sitting today. It's the same, exactly the same. Another little tip: the new Janet, awesome. We actually ended up going upstairs because there's a, the upstairs part where it's non-food items. It's like a small Walmart. They have everything there. I mean, just everything. Whatever little bit for your iPhone, for your tablet, any kind of electronics. You can buy a router. If you own a place here and you want to upgrade your Wi-Fi, if you need just anything. I mean, they have lots of clothes there too, and quite inexpensive actually. So just any of those sort of things you'd go to a big store for. It's like a miniature Walmart, and I guarantee you right now, whatever you're looking for, whatever, even quite weird, obscure things, you'll find in Sunny Beach in 5 minutes or less. So, pack light. Look at this. Look where the hell I am right now. And it's going to be, or perhaps even is, I think it's about 30 degrees already. I mean, look at the, oh, Jesus, so pretty. My little puppies. I told you about the lizards. There's all kinds of these little party lizards. They go all over the place. And, my little bike here, cruising down this road, it's just like a little, it's almost as good as a paved road. It's spotless. It's so perfect here. So I'm just like going 10 kilometers an hour, singing to myself. I'm singing to myself. Bye for now. See you guys very soon. I'm counting the minutes. Bye. Wait, look at this. Out in the fields here, I just found an old military, like an outpost bunker kind of a place. It's definitely a military, part of some military installation, because on the other side you can see the gun ports, I guess. Sorry, I'm not sure what the proper wording is. But it's definitely, you know, this used to be gun placement, right? Incredible. Now, I guess I have to go home and read more about this. However, this is not a history lesson. This is just to tell you, for the 850th, 7th time, you're going to be arriving here soon. You're going to arrive at the airport. You'll not be exchanging money at the airport. You'll not be exchanging money at any of those fucky exchange places anywhere in Sunny Beach, anywhere around here in a 1,000 kilometer radius. You're a smart person. You're gonna have your bank card. You're gonna have your debit card. You're gonna use a real bank. There's 1,000 of them. A real bank machine, a real bank. You're gonna put your card in and withdraw cash. But insist on using credit cards. This is getting better and better and better every day. A lot of places, so many more places now are accepting cards. So if you see it, pay with your credit card. Now, again, if you need cash, use a bank card. When you see those fucking yellow Euronet machines, just walk past them. Here, imagine there's a Euronet machine here. That's it. It's really that simple. See you guys soon! Can I do like a double wait? Is that okay? So I actually had forgotten something that's really, really important. Perhaps the most important thing. Remember, the sun here is relentless, okay? Absolutely freaking relentless. It gets crazy hot here, especially if you've never been here before, even on cloudy days. It's always beaming. So wear a hat, okay? So bring a hat with you or buy one from here. They're super, super cheap. You know, if you're a boy or a girl, if you have a bald spot or not, wear a hat at all times, okay? When you're outside, all the time. You know what? How sad would you be if you lost, you know, half a day or a couple of days because you got sunstroke, you know, you're feeling unwell, you have a headache or something like that? Wear a hat. You know, when you're out gallivanting, you know, after a couple of beers, you just kind of forget about stuff. You know, so just as part of your, you know, daily wear, just keep that in mind, you know. Before you leave your hotel room, just grab a hat when you're outside. Again, even on cooler days with, you know, a few clouds. I cannot stress that enough. Like your whole day, you're just gonna feel so much better. You know, just your face and the top of your head. You're just gonna feel better. Plus, I mean, it's just sound advice. Another thing, of course, is sunscreen. You know, so you know, definitely wear sunscreen. But here's my little conspiracy thing in my brain. Well, I actually know this for sure to be happening here in some places. The sunscreen here that's sold here in some of the shops, some of the shops, is counterfeit. Okay, so bring sunscreen from home, from whatever you are, pack it well. Just wrap it in like grocery store bag. So it doesn't, you know, when you go on the plane, so it doesn't explode and doesn't get over your, you know, aqua trousers and all that stuff. So pack it, bring your own sunscreen, just bring a little bottle spray or whatever is easy for you, with the water resistant stuff. But just remember, you know, hat is key, you know, just get a hat, you know, with whatever Sunny Beach hat here. Again, buy it here, it's like $5. So please don't forget that, because again, sunstroke and just, I see this at the clinics here and people just feeling like crap, and I guarantee you that a lot of this stuff can be solved just by putting on a little ball cap or whatever your fashion you're into. It's just good for your skin, but it's just, you know, doesn't boil your brain. Okay, look at the beautiful horses here. Come close. I mean, look how pretty they are. And there's also, I think, a little mini horse.